The plop filter can be found here on the filters, distortion, plop. So the plop filter just flips around your image into different direction. The plop filter contains two parameters that we can adjust. First is the plop, and second is the mix. Here on the plop filter, the plop parameter consists of the horizontal, which currently already applied on our image. Second is vertical, and lastly is the both. So it depends on you how you will use this filter. So that's how to use the plop filter. Next, let's talk about the mirror filter. You can find the mirror filter here on the filters, distortion, and mirror. So it creates an object across an axis. Once you select the mirror filter or effect, it will automatically apply on your layer. The mirror filter contains a few parameters. We have the center, the angle, repeat border pixels, mix, and publish OSC. So center controls the position of the mirror effect. We have the X position. We also have the Y position. We have the angle, controls the angle of the mirror itself. So if we set it to 90 and adjust the Y position, you will have a different result. Because earlier, if we set back the angle to 0, so no matter how many times you adjust the Y position, there is no change in our layer. So you need to change the angle first and then adjust the Y position. Next is repeat border pixels. Currently it's checked, so let's adjust the Y position again to 0.5. So repeat border pixels, it will repeat the pixels on the edge to fill in the remainder of the shape. So let's take a look. Let's adjust or offset our Y position. Here on the bottom part, you will see that the repeat border pixels repeated the edge of our layer. So if we turn that off, it will be like this. So that's how the repeat border pixels work. So mix is just the percentage of the blending of the effect to the layer. We can also think of it as the turn off and turn on. So publish OSC, if you click this one, the controls, this one, this circle, this control will be available on Final Cut Pro. That's how to use the mirror effect in Apple Motion.